Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. For your career situation and relationship, guys, I'll be picking different cards, guys, from another deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. This card here. So let's start with the general reading, Aquarius. So we have Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups and Nine of Wands, Aquarius, for your situation, guys. So you are seeing some new beginning in your life, guys. It may be something that is using your skills and talents today, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is giving you happiness, emotional satisfaction and contentment today. And for some of you, you are making some clear decisions today in your career or in your life, in your personal life. Maybe some truth has come to the surface and or some secrets are being revealed to you. So you, whatever was obstructing that clarity you have, or whatever was giving you some confusions, all that circumstance is clearing up today. So you know the truth you need today, guys, in your situation. So it may be in your career or it may be something in your personal life. So you are going to be really happy how things are going in your situation, guys, Aquarius. And I also see that maybe for some of you in your situation, you have to work with great potential, have that concentration, have that efforts to maintain that harmony or maintain that potential of your work. So in order to move in a positive way, you need that strength and determination and attention, total attention in your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Peace. So no matter what your situation is today, guys, you have happiness and harmony in your situation. You have that acceptance in your heart. So when you love that person, when you feel perfect with them, when you have that happiness when you are with them, and when both of you just match with each other just like parts of a puzzle, you have that great intimacy towards them, guys. Maybe for some of you, if you feel that you do not share that great intimacy, and maybe it is time for calmness and well-being, guys, because these may be temporary situations that has come up, something obstructing your harmony and balance. But no matter what your circumstances, you have to have that certainty in your heart that even this situation will change for the better in your relationship, guys. So that is what I see for your relationship. So for your career situation, we have unfinished harmony, unfinished symphony, guys. So for your career situation, guys, whatever is not complete, maybe some projects or assignments, whatever you are dealing with, maybe even smaller things like paying your bills or signing the documents. You need to tie up those loose ends if you want to move forward positively in life, guys. So if you want prosperity and that freshness today in your career, you have to tie all loose ends in your career situation, guys. So that way things will move in a very positive way for you, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever your situation is, you can think about it in your mind, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So what do we have here? Petalite. So this is the oracle card for you all, for your situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life in this relationship. So this card just means that you have to be a witness today. Observe your situation from a distance. Maybe when we are too close to our situation, we are emotional and we may not see, we may not be able to analyze the details and motives for that, what is making that other person behave in such a way and what is triggering them today. And we may not have that clarity because we are too close to that person or too close to our situation. So we need to step back if you want a clear vision, that clarity in your circumstance. If you are a witness, if you become a witness today, you will simply see things more clearly and you will know what is the right action today in your life or in this connection. So what has to be done, you will know, and you will be able to fix things, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this card invites us to give space, make space for ourselves, so we'll be able to listen to the right things and we'll be able to fix our circumstance. So let it be something in our career or something in our personal life. So we have to step out of that emotional behavior that we have that detachment in our heart and see our situation from a different perspective. So that way we will get that clarity, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, so let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this card, it is Snow White, purity. So that is what this card is about, guys. It stands for purity, triumph of that pure heart today. And whatever challenges or whatever difficult circumstances you are facing, you will not change. You stand by your ideals with that truth that you have in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loving person, caring. You are devoted to the people you have in your life. It may be friends or this person you love. You are kind, and your innocence, your uncorrupted heart will shine through difficult times you are facing in your life, guys. So even when people around you are trying to harm you in some ways, you you bounce back much more stronger, much more mature, and much more ripened with that light of experience. And you have people with evil intentions towards you, around you, but it has not made the way into your heart. So you do not reciprocate their jealousy, envy, or their bad intentions. So you have that goodness in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loyal person, pure heart, guys. So in your life, you may be in some difficult situation right now, but you are going to come out of it shining bright, showing people around you what you are made of, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, this stands for purity and triumph of the pure heart. So you are a person with pure intentions, and there is never going to be a failure in your life, because you are a person who is really truthful to what you have in your heart, and you stand by your values and ideals. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.